this video, I will be talking about ordered lists and unordered lists. It's so easy, so let's get started. First of all, to define an ordered list, you have to make this tag called OL. Alright, so what would be inside this would be an unordered list. Simple as that. So let me just make space, and in this place what our list items will be inside. Alright, so let me just make a list item to just show you how it works. If I just li and I say it, for example, Frank Jeff, right? So what we did is make an ordered list and we make a list item. So this is one of the items in my ordered list. An ordered list starts with number 1. As you see, we have number 1 and we have the list item. So this is a list item. I can make multiple list items. Let me just copy this and paste it on the next line and paste multiple of these. Now let me just delete this. Oops, I have to go down now and delete it. And now if I say just Jeff, alright, and I said here Frank, right, and I would put over there wrap. Alright, so now we have 1, 2, 3. So if I did another one, it will be 4. Simple as that. Did you get the point? So now if I just go and say it, let's say Frankie, as you see, we have another number 4. So it's an ordered list. Alright, so this is all you have to learn in this. When we made our ordered list, we will put, for example, OL, and we put our list items like this way. Alright, and we would say, for example, Frank, and we go to the next line. I will say, for example, Jeff, li Jeff, and I will go to the alright, and we would go to the next line and make multiple of these. Let's say, for example, I will say apple. Right, so this is how ordered list done. So what if I want to do an ordered list? Alright, unordered does not mean that it will be 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. It will not have numbers. This is the difference between those lists. So how to do that? You just put UL instead of OL. Did you see? We have now, instead of numbers, bullets, and this is the most widely used on the web pages, unordered list. So this is what you might use. Alright, and you can add links to it. Thanks God, in this course we have links, but it will not be included in this lecture, on the next lecture I think. So now this is how you do unordered list. But what if you want to make nested lists? You want to make a list inside a list. For example, I want to have a list for Frank on this list. It's easy. You just go below Frank, right? Let me just have a space. You just go UL. Alright, now we have an unordered list on this thing. Okay, and you can just put list items. Okay, if I said likes to play football. Alright, so this is an example, as you see. So Frank, and we have another unordered list, and we add this. Alright, so this is called nested lists. Alright, nested lists, I mean. So if I can go to Jeff, I can add multiple unordered lists on this list. Just go UL, just go, for example, Jeff like to swim. Alright, so like to swim. Alright, so this is how you do it. And now you have learned unordered list. See you in the next lecture.